To log in, you're going to go to the main doTERRA website, and then in the top right corner, you're going to click Login. In this portion, you're going to enter in your email or your doTERRA ID and the password that you set when you signed up, and click Login. You are now logged in to your doTERRA back office. You can see here you're going to have all the essential oils and products, and on the right hand side, this is where you place an order with your 25% discount now. You can start a new order or join the Loyalty Rewards program. Now when you click joining the Loyalty Rewards program, that just means that you would like to earn commissions with doTERRA. Up at the top, you're also going to see consumer order form and a wholesale price sheet that you can download to share with others. Go ahead and click join the Loyalty Rewards program. That way you can qualify for commissions, and it'll just send you an email monthly to remind you when that order is due if you want to earn all commissions. If you click down to start a new order, you can now order anything that you want from doTERRA at your discount. You'll see all the products listed, from essential oils, personal care, kits, and accessories. And if you go ahead and click one, you can see that you can add that to your cart. You can see over in your cart how much that is, and pay special attention to the PV, because that is your doTERRA dollars to receive bonuses and what you get paid on. You can pick shipping or pickup and check out from there. Now I want to take you up to your online store. Everyone who opens a doTERRA account gets their own personal website that you can customize with your name and personal link. Over on the My Photo, you can add a personal photo of you there also. So then when you go to look at your website, this is what it'll look like, with your photo, your personal name and information, and where people can sign up, learn about essential oils, get recipes, or do it yourself. This is for free from doTERRA, just for being a wellness advocate that you can send to others. You can also see here, this is where you can register a new consultant under Wellness Advocate Services. You'll click what language you want and the region. Agree that what you're signing up as a wellness advocate and confirm, and you'll just add in your personal information and be able to sign someone up for them. You also have other tabs at the top that you can explore and look at. The next one we're going to go into is your dashboard. This is where all business things take place in your doTERRA back office. Up in the dashboard, on the top left side, you'll be able to see your loyalty reward order, what percentage you've earned back in free products and points, and where you're at. You can also see your volume for the month, from your personal volume to your team's overall volume, and your current earnings with doTERRA at the bottom left side. In the middle, you'll see your qualifications for what rank you are that month, your power of 3, and your member breakdown, which has your enrollees and any new member on your team that anyone has signed up. You'll also see announcements on the right-hand side, events, popular links, and quick reports to get more details on your team. You can also register another wellness advocate in this section also.